Hi guys, let's discuss about a most important question for the interview. Tell me about yourself. So important point we should focus when you are speaking about the tell me about yourself in the interview. First one is your experience. How much experience and which field you have experience, you should speak first. Second one is skill. Which type of skill you have and what are the primary skill and secondary skill you have to speak. Third one is job role and responsibility. Job role and responsibility means what is your daily tasks and what are the responsibility you hold in your current position. Fourth one is domain and the client. In which domain you have to work and what are the different client you are facing when you are working. Fifth one is project. If the interviewer or the panel asks about the project, then you should speak or elaborate about the project and from scratch to delivery level. I have prepared a sample for the tell me about yourself. Let's focus on it as a Tableau developer. Hello, my name is Vikas and I am a experienced Tableau developer with expertise in developing dashboard and visualization. Over the first 3 years, I have developed my skill in data analytics and visualization, particularly using Tableau Desktop and Tableau Online. I have strong background in data warehousing and database, which allow me efficiently write SQL query for the data extraction and data validation. You should speak at least about your experience, what are the expertise you have and what is the SQL experience when you are speaking on the basis of as a Tableau developer. Next, you should speak in your current role at organization name, means you should speak in my current role at organization. I am responsible for designing and developing the dashboard using Tableau Desktop. My roles involves in develop the dashboard using Tableau Desktop, writing SQL query to pull the data from database and perform the data validation, migrate the dashboard from Tableau Desktop to Tableau server, attend various meetings with the client to gather the project requirement, collaborate with the team member including database developer, data engineer and QA team. In these above points will be discussed about the different role and responsibility when you are working in the as a Tableau developer in your current role and you are facing this role responsibility. So you should speak which domain you have to work and which client you have to work. In my previous role, or you should speak in my current role also. Here you should speak in the current role. In previous role or current role, I worked with the clients such as client name across the diverse domain including banking, healthcare, finance and retail. At least you should speak 2-3 domain for the interviewer that you work with this different domain. Have experience has provided me well-rounded understanding with different industry requirement and challenges. This line you should speak. When you are working with a different domain, then you have to good experience on the different industry and their challenges. Last point, you have to add on say point for reskilling and stay update. I decided or I dedicated my weekends to learn new skill and preparing certification, particularly Tableau. If you are preparing the certification, then you should speak at the last point, or if you are a certified Tableau developer, you should speak I am a certified Tableau developer with expertise in developing dashboard and visualization. This is all about a Tableau developer. Tell me about yourself. I have write a sample. You should modify this sample as per your client, as per your domain, as per your role responsibility in the current project, all these things. That's all for this video.